Hi, I'm Stormy Meyer, and welcome to my newest listing in Edgerton, Kansas. The sellers have completely transformed this ranch home, and it sits on 10 acres of peaceful, open land with over 3,000 square feet of living space. It features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a flexible main level office. The all-new kitchen is perfect for everyday living or entertaining. It also includes a large mudroom, main level laundry, and walk-in pantry. The finished basement offers a wide open plan for movies, sports, and more, plus a wet bar and spa-like shower.